Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to copy a new video call link on the WhatsApp app for PC. With WhatsApp's latest update, creating and sharing video call links has never been easier. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go. If you haven't installed the app yet, you can download it from the official WhatsApp website or your system's app store. Once the app is open, look at the left-hand side menu. You'll notice a phone icon. Click on it. This will take you to the call section where you can manage all your call-related options. Next, click on the option labeled New Call Link. A small menu will appear asking you to choose the type of call link you want to create. Select Video to generate a link specifically for video calls. Now that your video call link is created, it's time to copy it. Simply click on the Copy Link button, and the link will be saved to your clipboard. You can now paste and share this link with friends, family, or colleagues through WhatsApp messages, emails, or any other platform of your choice. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've successfully copied a new video call link using the WhatsApp app on your PC. This feature makes it incredibly convenient to connect with others for video calls without needing to set up a direct call each time. Thank you for watching this guide. If you found it helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit from these easy instructions. Happy video calling!